Understanding the phrase, on the hush-hush, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into an interesting English expression, on the hush-hush. This phrase might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, we'll unravel its meaning and usage together. Whether you're learning English for work, travel, or just for fun, understanding such idiomatic expressions can really enhance your fluency. So, let's get started. On the hush-hush is an idiomatic phrase in English, implying that something is to be kept secret or confidential. It's often used in casual conversation when discussing matters that shouldn't be publicly known or talked about openly. Think of it as a more playful or informal way to say, keep this a secret. The origin of on the hush-hush can be a bit elusive. The word hush itself has been around for a long time, meaning to quiet down or stop talking. Adding hush twice in a rhyming fashion emphasizes the need for silence or secrecy. This duplicative form is common in English to create a catchy or memorable expression. 1. Gossip context. I heard that the company is launching a new product, but it's all on the hush-hush for now. 2. Personal secret. My plans to move to a new city are on the hush-hush. I haven't told my family yet. 3. Professional secrecy. The merger details are on the hush-hush until the deal is finalized. Remember, it's mostly used in informal settings. 1. Under wraps. Keeping something concealed or secret. 2. Mum's the word. A request to keep something secret. 3. Behind closed doors. Something happening in private, not known to the public. Understanding these similar phrases can help you better grasp the concept of secrecy in English expressions. And that's a wrap on the hush-hush. I hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is all about exploration and fun, so keep practicing and experimenting with new expressions. Until next time, keep your learning on the hush-hush. Just kidding. Share it with everyone. Happy learning!